What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing these Acerbis Rally Pro handguards, so your boy doesn't get like hit in the knuckle with a rock, you know, because that would suck. That's not fun. You know, ultimately that leads to a sore finger, and you don't want a sore finger. And if you dump it, you're not going to break a clutch or a brake lever, and that is nice. Any further, make sure you like the video, press that subscribe button, and then also you need to press that post notifications button so you get notified every single time I upload a video, which is going to be every Monday at 8 a.m. So stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's get into it. Box this. So, you know, you're going to want to cut away from yourself. Don't cut towards yourself. And if you cut towards yourself, you know, you probably need to go see a counselor or something, because that's not right. I mean, if you do, you can recover, I'm sure. Anyway, I got white ones because like white ones should complement the bike. You know, it's white. You got white on the bike too, so it should look pretty good. Yeah, I'm digging these. I'm digging these hard. That's cardboard. And the mounting kit. See that? It says mounting kit on it, so you know it's for mounting. Wow, I really like it. I really like how everything's painted. And I really like how these are aluminum. Like, yum. I dig it. All right, guys. First things first. We need to take this mirror off so you can see my freaking face. That's beautiful. Okay, first thing we should probably do is like cut the ends off these grips so we can put the thing on the thing, you know. Beautiful description. So there's this little piece of metal that expands, and then there's this little bevel thingy. Through this, it's gonna pull this bevel in, and it's gonna pull it into here, and then it's gonna make this expand, and then there's this little rubber tube kind of a dealio that goes on here. You just slide it on, and then it's gonna go up inside your tube, and then it's gonna press up against the tube, and then that's how this part is gonna stay in. So let's shove this pupper in. And it takes a 5mm. All right, so there's like little zip tie thingy here, so we're gonna take that off, and then we'll put that bracket on. All right, so this part goes into this end, and I'm assuming it goes over like that, like over the brake cable, I'm assuming. And then they have these little grommet thingies that just kind of go in there. Okay, so this side is pretty much done. I probably need to go through and just tighten everything a little bit more, but I'll do that in a minute. Now let's do this side. All right, so same as last time, cut this freaking handguard off a little bit. I think this side, I didn't really do that amazingly, but this side is probably gonna be a little bit different because you got the throttle body to deal with. So we're gonna have to cut a little bit of the throttle body off. We got this cutie. Why does this turn? It turns that way. Okay, got the grip cut off and a little bit of that throttle booty. So now, get this cute thing after we do this. One sec. Okay, so basically you're just getting the brackets and you're just lining them up where you want them, and you're just putting them together, sandwiching them, but yeah, they just bolt in just like that. Same on that side. And I had to like twist this one so it like would fit in there. I'm gonna have to do the same thing on this one. I'm just gonna have to adjust it or bring this down, bring the handguard down, so you know the brake lever will be in here where it should be. But is what it looks like after. And if I had to give this a rating on 1 to 10, from saucy to not saucy at all, this is gonna have to be, you know, a 10. It's very saucy, I think. I think it's beautiful. Yeah. As there's one more thing that this kit included that I did not show you guys, other than the brackets and like all the hardware and the guards themselves. Dude, we got a sticker. All right, so we got the sticker, and I don't know where to put it. I got the Vertex piston and gasket sticker because I actually, there was a knocking. This thing only has like 931 miles on it. It's 2017. There was a little bit of engine noises. It was kind of strange to me, and I was like, there's got to be something wrong. It was a bit excessive. The noise was kind of sounded bad. So I just decided to take it takes me a while to put stickers on. Okay, watch. I decided to take the motor apart and get it rebuilt. Well, top end rebuilt. I got a new piston rings, and a new gaskets for the whole thing, new O-rings and stuff like that. I got that done. I just took it to Lindsay Machine Racing in Sandy, Utah. But yeah, there was nothing wrong with it. They checked it out. They checked out the bottom end too. They took apart the bottom end. There was nothing wrong. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And until next time, peace.